A parrot is a green bird with a large red curved beak. They eat seeds, nuts, and fruit and make great pets. Parrots are clever birds who can make different sounds and copy the human voice too. Owls can be brown, grey, or white in color with large eyes and a hooked beak. They can see very well at night. They eat small animals and insects like rats and worms. An ostrich is one of the largest birds but cannot fly. It has a long neck and very long legs that help it run very fast. Ostriches are black and white or brown and white in color. Eagles are large, strong birds with broad, big wings that help them fly high up in the sky. They are meat-eating birds and have strong feet, nails, also called talons, and hooked beaks. They have very good eyes and can see from long distances. Eagles fly only in the day and build their nests on top of tall trees and in mountains. Peacocks, also called peafowls, are known for its great size and beauty of its feathers. The greenish-blue feathers have huge spots on them, while the body is purplish-blue in color. They eat grains, grasses, snails, and insects. A peacock is a male peafowl, while the female peafowl is called a peahen and is not as pretty. Pigeons are small, plump birds with a small head, short beak, and short legs. They come in different colors and eat seeds and fruits. They are very common and are seen almost everywhere.